Thank you, A-Team. Alright. Alam niyo po, hindi lahat nakakasabi nito. And I've waited my whole life for this. Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko nang isigaw to. Kaya eto na ang moment ko. Good evening, Araneta! Wow, sarap pala ng feeling. Pwede bang isa pa? Yung may energy, guys. Pwede po? Okay. Good evening, Araneta! Wow! Maraming salamat po. Welcome to my 10th anniversary concert. This is D10. Alam niyo po, I've performed a lot of times in this iconic and historic venue. Pero first time ko po mag-solo concert dito. And what perfect timing po talaga because I'm celebrating my 10th anniversary as well in showbiz. At saka, sarili po talaga yung pakiramdam eh. Talagang andito na ako. Like the younger Darren would have never known that he would be performing in this Coliseum for his 10th year in showbiz. So, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat din po kay Tito Martin. Grabe na surprise ako. He never said anything about that. And he opened up the show for all of you guys. Maraming salamat, Tito Martin. I love you too! And this is not just my anniversary. I'm sharing with all of you. This is also a milestone to all of you who have supported me po, syempre, since day one, especially sa mga Darenatics. Maraming salamat po. Ay, grabe. Di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Of course, to my parents who are here, who flew in from Canada, to my family, maraming salamat po. It's been a wild ride since, I decided to take that leap of faith from traveling all the way from Canada to the Philippines para lang mag-audition sa The Voice Kids. But it was all definitely worth it. And yun nga, as I said earlier, the younger Darren would have never been... Ano ba tawag dito? You would have never imagined talaga na this is where we would be today on June 1st, 2024. Kasi sa totoo lang po, mahihain po talaga akong bata. Buti na lang, yung magulang ko very supportive ever since they found out that I could sing. Sinasali nila ako sa mga singing contests. Ginawa akong front act kahit hindi ko alam na nilagay nila yung pangalan ko sa listahan. Darating na lang kami doon, akala ko magmumol lang. Kakanta na pala ako. So, ayun, this is where it brought me. And I'm just so glad that I got to build that confidence in myself and I never backed down. Kaya naman, I'm here celebrating my 10 wonderful years in showbiz with all of you. You've seen me grow up. Literal. From being, parang less than 5 feet. Ngayon, 6 feet na tayo, guys. So maraming salamat. And you still believe in me and in what I can do. Kaya naman naging posible ko itong D10. And of course, speaking of D10, this is co-presented by TNT. Nasa saya yan with TNT, and this is brought to you by Chowking. Chowking Siomai Chow Fan. Kakaibang wok sarap. Maraming salamat po to my TNT and Chowking family. In cooperation, of course, with Bello Medical Group. Hello po, Doc Hayden, Doc Vicky. Thank you so much for the support. And to my Coke Zero family, maraming salamat po for your support as well. And Beauty Derm. Yeah! Maraming salamat po. Mami Ray, I love you so much. Thank you po sa suporta ninyo. Maraming salamat po talaga. And I want to thank also my Chowking family for welcoming me recently. You guys are the best. Puro chow fan lang kinakain ko talaga. Napaka-addictive. Sino po ba dito ang nakapag-chow fan? Alright, well, yun nga po, meron po tayong chow fan box photo booth sa my green gate where you can take photos and tag me and Chowking PH. And here's a surprise. You can also use your pictures to get a free regular drink for your Siomai Chow Fan orders at your favorite Chowking store. Kaya maraming salamat, Chowking. Alright. And alam niyo po ba kung ano pa ang masarap bukod sa Chowking Siomai Chow Fan? Uy, isente tayo dito, huwag mo sabihin ako. Hindi, syempre, bukod sa akin, hindi joke lang siya. Bukod sa Chowking Siomai Chow Fan, masarap din ma-in love, di ba po? Alright, kaya naman at this point, I'd love to dedicate these original songs na kinanta ko po at naging parte ng aking debut album nung bata pa ako. But this time, here's my 2024 version of these songs, and I hope you guys like it. Hi, Lex! Maraming salamat sa pagiging special guest mo, of course, ngayong gabi sa aking 10th anniversary. This means so much to me, sharing the stage with you. It will always be a pleasure. Tsaka grabe na yung bilis ng panahon. Ang tanda na natin, 10 years ago. Tsaka ang dami nang nangyari. Siyempre, I'm very proud of all of your achievements. Siyempre, iba na ngayon, may jowa ka na.
Siya din meron.
Wala ngayon.
Eme.
Maraming salamat, Lex.
Ayan, syempre, unang-unang sa lahat, congratulations. Happy 10th anniversary sa'yo.
Happy 10th sa atin?
Sa atin. Yes, sa atin. Sa ating lahat. Ayan, super happy ko. And of course, super thankful ko din na sinama mo rin ako dito sa journey mo. And also, talagang alam ko at alam natin kung saan tayo nagsimula. At kasama talaga tayo sa mga journey natin. And syempre sa mga achievements mo, super happy kami. And sa lahat ng mga supporters mo dito, ayan, super happy sila sa'yo. And proud kami sa'yo. Ayan, congratulations.
Maraming salamat, Lex. Once again, give it up for Laika Gairan and everyone. Yay, salamat. Alright. Okay. Okay pa po ba kayo? Before anything else, of course, sorry, wait lang po. Sorry. Ayan, before my next song, I'd like to thank Mr. Francis Libiran for my outfits tonight. For some of my outfits, like the one I'm wearing, like this suit. Maraming salamat po. I'd also like to thank Bello Medical Group again, because only Bello touches my skin. Who touches yours? Nice. Okay. And of course, to my friends who are here, isa-isang silang dumalaw kanina sa aking dressing room. Maraming salamat. Ate Kath, Catherine Bernardo, everyone. Aldana sa Sam, maraming salamat din sa'yo. Kay Chi, of course to Joao, maraming salamat. Kay Kuya Robbie, kay Ate Mikey, maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat sa paghabol. To Alexa, na nag-concert din kagabi. Si Alexa, ayun, maraming salamat for still attending. Alam kong pagod ka, but you're here. Maraming salamat also to Ate Denise Laurel. Maraming salamat, Ate Den. And Chong Di, who's also here. Maraming salamat. And we also have AC Bonifacio, Angela Ken. Maraming salamat. Jella Ataide. And Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat. Andito siya. Thank you also po kay Miss Jamie Rivera. Maraming salamat, Miss Jamie. Bailey May, Tita Sylvia Sanchez, and to the Ataide family, maraming salamat. Chabi, what's up? Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying. Who else is here? Si DJ Jai Ho. Ayan, what's up, Ate Jai? Kuya EA Guzman, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. It's been a while. Kuya EJ Falcon, nandito rin. Ate Kit Kat, Miss Maricel Morales, Miss Rochelle Barameda, and the rest of my Beauty Derm family. It means so much that you guys are here. Grabe. Beauty Derm! Alright. Maraming salamat po. And going back, alam niyo po, with all the music genres that I get into, of course, ballad will always be one of my favorites. It's always been part of my core. In fact, it's something that I love because with music, there are times where you can express yourself when you can't find the words to say it. If you want to get that message across. And that's my way of expressing myself sometimes. And that's also how I feel with ballads. And tonight, I'm performing one of my latest singles under Star Music na naging OST din po ng aming hit TV series na Can't Buy Me Love, where I played the role of Stephen Tanueco. This is Iyo.